Hello. Fx equals to 3 over x minus 2. Find part A, f of negative 1. Part B, fx equals to 2. Here we are finding the value of x. And part C, we are finding the inverse of fx. So let's start with our part A. Our function is 3 over x minus 2. So to find f of negative 1, where there is x, we have replaced it with negative 1. We have to do the same with that expression. So it will be 3 over negative 1 minus 2. And that gives us a 3 over negative 3. And our final answer for this part A will be negative 1. And then part B, we are told that that function is equal to 2. And we are supposed to find the value of x. So since the function is 3 over x minus 2, and that function it is equated to 2, we have to solve this by cross multiplying. So I can first give that a denominator of 1 and I cross multiply that the 3 multiplies with the 1, which will give us a 3, and this 2 multiplies with x minus 2 to give us 2x minus 4. So that will be 2x equals 2. Take the negative 4 the other side. It will become a positive 4. So it will be 2x equals to 3 plus 4, which is 7. So divide both sides by 2. We shall get x equals to 7 over 2, which is the same as 3.5 to be our value of x for part B. And then part C, we are finding the inverse of the function. And our function is fx equals to 3 over x minus 2. So to find the inverse, we first select y to be 3 over x minus 2. And after letting that, we switch the letters. The y becomes x and the x becomes y. And after that, we make y the subject. So at this point, I can cross multiply. That is over 1. And it will give me x into y minus 2 equaling to 3. So I can divide this by x instead of expanding first. I can first divide, then it will be giving me y minus 2 equals to 3 over x. So take the negative to the other side, it will become a positive and remain with y equals to 3 over x plus 2. So this is the inverse of the function. So our inverse of fx will be 3 out of x plus 2. And that is our final answer. Thank you.